Good morning, YouTubers, millionaires, future millionaires. My name's Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. One thing I want you to pay attention to here is these thousands of dollars that I made here. This comes in on autopilot, guys, every month. I don't have to do anything. I wake up in the morning and the money is in my bank without me having to work. I mean, this money's coming in while I'm sleeping. So as you can see over here, you got $118 coming in, 118 and 80 cents coming in. Let me see here. Today's December 11. I'm sorry. December 11, 2020. So I got a payment coming up pretty soon in January, which is in another 20 days. So these payments come in on autopilot. As you guys can see over here, I have $4,000, $4,008.33 so far. This is just one account that I have here. There's several. I think I need another cup of coffee. Several others that I get paid on autopilot from different affiliate marketing. But the reason I want to recommend this particular website, the link's going to be below, guys. These guys pay 40%. All right. Go to this link right here. It's going to be below. Click on it. It's going to take you in here. Put in your name, email, address, and it's going to direct you to the link that is going to show you how to do this. And one thing I want you to pay attention to here, highlighted in red, absolutely free. Yup, it's free. You don't have to pay anything, guys. If you want to start an online business, the key to actually getting results is doing the work. If you're gonna come in and watch this, you're gonna be like, oh, it's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna call my girlfriend Stephanie and go out and have a good time with her. Blah 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 blah. That's not gonna work. You need to sit down, turn off your notification, turn off all the ding 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 that's happening around you. Stay focused on this free training and follow along and basically execute everything that they tell you to do, and you're going to start getting the results that I'm getting. All right, look, thousands of dollars coming in. This is just one account, guys. I don't want to come out and show you millions of dollars, because this is, I mean, if you work hard enough, you can turn it into millions of dollars. But I want to let you know it's really, really easy to do, and it's completely free. If you're not, excuse me, if you're not making any money online, you need to listen up and pay attention to this website here. This will work for you even if you are a complete newbie, or your money back. I mean, that's one. You can't get a better offer than that. It doesn't matter if you've never made a single dime online yet. It is definitely, and it is definitely doesn't matter. Not. I think I need to change my word here. You don't have to. But the point I'm trying to make here, you don't have to be tech savvy. If you can point and click, then you're already on your way ahead. I think I need definitely a couple more cups of coffee. You're already way ahead of the game. So listen, guys, just click on the link below and follow that free training. And all you got to do is just put in your name and email address, and it's going to send you a link. Click on the link, get started, and start making cash right away. Let me show you the steps you need to start thriving in your business instead of just surviving. If you guys are sick of your 9 to 5 and you no longer want to deal with the 9 to 5 lifestyle, and you want to kind of take control of your lifestyle and just be, I don't know, work 2 hours a week, 3 hours a week, however long you want, and start making money on autopilot, residual income without having to do anything. You just set it up once and forget it, and it start paying you money on autopilot, guys. This training's 100% free. It doesn't get any better than that. Click the link below, get started today, and best of luck to you. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment below. I promise you I will respond, and I will help you move forward and ditch your 9 to 5. What else do I want to say here? Yeah, guys, you just set it up one time, just literally one time, and start making thousands of dollars. Uh, but again, none of this is going to work unless you actually put in the work. You have to sit down and follow the instruction and execute on everything that they have showed you in the training. Otherwise, you'll never see any results. You work, you get results. You go to the gym, you work out, you get a six pack. You don't work out, you don't get a six pack. It's real simple, guys. If you want to make money online, click the link below and get started today. And best of luck to you. There's not a whole lot that I could say on this video besides telling you to watch the video, follow the training, completely free, guys. Doesn't cost you any money, and start making cash like you're seeing right here on my screen. Um, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you've gotten any value out of it, give me a thumbs up. Um, if you're new to if you're already a part of my channel, I want to thank you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tick the bell icon because I'm constantly uploading videos showing you on how to make money online. Best of luck to you. And that's all I have for today. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.